I came outside. That's where that is. And I am kind of stuck. My cane is getting stuck. Look at the holes my cane is making. Whew. Mercy, this is me. I am. I want to sing Buju Banton song. Buried alive. You know what I'm not have to use my cane? Because when I stand up in this, it hold me, you know. It's holding me. Wow. This is just the ground. This is snow, snow, snow. All the cleanup. See, it just look like just a white background. That's snow, you know. Got the garage. Got the car. My baby's vehicle. Let the chef come clean it off. And her father vehicle too. Card. Look between the car then. Look at this pile between the car. Me say, I'm stuck. Look at this. Let me see how high this is. Alright, this is a drift. Well, let's see how high the drift is. That's where. That's what, 31 inches. Yep. This is a drift. Work hard them. My car in the garage safe and sound, but still. Ooh. Mercy, and I get cool. And snow still a come. Still a drop on me. Ooh. Look at the neighbor them car though. You see me walk? I'm literally stuck, you know. Out of breath. Mercy. It's up to my knee. Oh. That's a neighbor them vehicle. The man, look for them side, leave my side. When we do it, we do everything, but when they do it, they do right this. So. You have neighbors and you have people who live next to you. Yeah. Same do that. I'm not even live this, I don't want to get him to do it. But yeah, look at the snow against the side of the house. The garbage bin them covered. We nearly dropping now. Where's the stuck? We. The stuck because stay here too long. You can't freeze me in. What you trying to do? We have to set the side of the house. I should go to the front yet. I'm out of breath. My cane. Naughty, who can hold them on my make? And me walk you say no? Oh Lord. More drift. More drift for the side of the house. I'm not sure Patrick license did it. Oh yeah. This is the step to go back in the house. When I was coming, I couldn't find a step for step. It was a glide. This is a step to go back in my house. Well, let me see if I can use my key for final spot. For step. Box cover. Wait. Where's oh, this is a step. Alright. And this is my door. Box cover. Yes. This is it. Can I take a long time would I get nothing like this?